that retarded bird out there. I think he has a worm on.
But I have my worm. I think that's the robin. Except it's not a robin. It's an
Yeah, it is.
I thought that was an oriole.
No, it's a robin.
I thought the orioles were the ones with the little orange patches on their boobs.
So are robins.
Fucking deceivers.
Holy fuck, it's a car.
You should punch it.
These people are gay.
Gay.
I should put this on YouTube.
What are you people? Gay?
No, it's like, oh look, there's a fucking car. Gay. That's funny.
Hey look, it's a black guy. Gay. If you put this on YouTube.
Dude. I can still see that bird. What a fuckhead.
Where is he? Who the does he think he is?
Does that bird want to take a shit in my yard? Holy fuck, he just ran. He's getting closer. Oh shit. Holy shit. Oh, there he is, yep.
He's just like, look at those two fucking...
I think he's mimicking the fire hydrant. Oh shit, he got closer.
Is he trying to yell at me?
Better not.
I swear, if he calls me Billy, I'll get some shit thrown on him. Billy! Do you know dogs don't like it when you poke them really hard in the head?
Now I'm going to go encounter this bird.
Birdy down, down. Birdy down, down.
Squaggity, squaggity! That bird's not a happy camper.